Hi, this video is about the Nova Pedal Exerciser. It is such a great tool for exercising your arms and your legs, from light to variable resistance training. Great for exercise, but also for physical therapy and recovery. So when you get your pedal exerciser out of the box, it's going to come with everything you need. So you have the pedal exerciser. You just have to open it up, just like that. You have the digital display, the tension knob, and it comes with a battery. So first you're going to insert the battery in the digital display. Now you're going to attach the digital display to the base through the insert hole, and then you're going to turn the resistant knob all the way through. This attaches the digital display to the base, but also then this is the knob that allows you to control the tension, the variable resistant training. So turning it to the right gives you more tension, and then to the left, to loosen it up, you'll have a light training. So you can really control the amount of resistance you have on your pedal exerciser. And with the digital display, press the red button to see exercise time, your revolution count, total revolutions, and even calories burned. What is so great about this pedal exerciser is that you can take it anywhere. So it's great for travel. So it's so compact, and all you have to do to fold it up is push the brass button, turn the leg in, and you can see how compact it is and how easy it is to carry it around. All right, there you go. That is the Nova Pedal Exerciser. And of course, with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.